Stephanie, I loved you for a very long time, and I'm waiting for this for so long. I've been waiting for this day for almost 8 years now, and I promise I will continue to love you more and more every single day.
I promise to always support your dreams and to inspire you to achieve them.
This celebration is but an outward sign of an inward union of the heart. It is this day you take a giant step of courage and commitment to love, understand, and grow. You are now taking into your keeping the happiness of the one person in all the world you love the most. You are agreeing to share strengths, responsibilities, and love. You are agreeing to take your journeys together as husband and wife.
So, what's your name? How old are you?
14.
I promise to always be there for you and give you the encouragement that you need to succeed in your career. I promise to absolutely share everything with you as if you were another person, as if we were the same person. And I would always promise to always be forgiving to you, even when you're going to wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning to tell me that you're having a heart attack. It happens, but I will always love you and I will always forgive you.
I promise to listen to you with compassion and understanding. I promise to always put my dried oatmeal bowls in the sink. And most importantly, I promise that I will always be your home.
With this ring, I give you my heart.
I have no greater gift to give. I feel so honored to call you my husband.
I now pronounce you are husband and wife. You may kiss your wife. Mr. and Mrs. Grant.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I